Hello students, let's read phonetic words. Listen carefully and repeat. Read CH as a final. Bench, torch, punch, match, lunch, bunch. Read, much, rich, such, pinch, catch, patch, match, watch, snatch. Happy learning!